before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to Light. Contrast -10. Highlights -100. Shadows +56. Whites -32. Go to Curve. White. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. Go to color mix. And done. Go to color. Vibrance +22. Saturation +14. Go to grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 19. Saturation 10. Blending 100. Slide up. Go to next grading. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 213. Saturation 13. Slide up. And done. Go to color mix. Red color. Saturation -28. Luminance -36. Go to orange color. Hue -10. Saturation -38. Luminance -15. Go to yellow color. Saturation -85. Luminance -6. Go to green color. Saturation -57. Luminance -45. Go to aqua color. Hue -10. Saturation -29. Luminance +10. Go to blue color. Hue -10. Saturation -68. Luminance -14. Go to purple color. Saturation -40. Luminance +15. Go to magenta color. Saturation -35. Luminance +5. And done. Go to effects. Clarity -5. Dehaze +18. Vignette -9. Midpoint 40. Slide down. Go to detail. Noise reduction 28. Slide down. Color noise reduction 25. Go to profiles. Select artistic 4:100. And done. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. And done. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.